Hello, this is Jim from Tech Bros and our first video of 2020, and thanks for sticking around. And today our first tech unboxing is the IMILAB Home Security Camera Basic from Xiaomi, and this will come in app records in 1080p H265, and you've got night vision, and it's a smart home camera or baby monitor with pan and tilt webcam. So there's a lot of features going on, which is pretty good. So on the side it'll tell you you've got 1080p HD, two-way conversation, 360 panoramic, infrared night vision and multi-speed playback. And that's basically it on the box. So let's have a look. So you're going to get your instruction booklet first of all, and you're going to get some fixtures there, your power cable, which is micro USB, which most security cameras are. Not all, they haven't started to change to USB-C just yet. And then we have the camera itself. So just pop all that back in. And it's got a nice plastic lightweight feel to it, and the camera is fairly light. So as you can see here, it does spin and it has more here to move. And you've got an SD card slot there, rubber footings on the bottom, so if you're leaving the camera flat on the surface like so, it's all fine, and your charging port on the back. And that's really about it. It doesn't separate anywhere or anything like that, and that's all there is for now. So you have got remote viewing and an automatic alarm. You've AI humanoid detection, which a lot of these cameras have now. You've HD panoramic night vision enhancement, smooth and nice footage at H265 video coding. You've smart linkage with security upgrade, so you can connect other products to this through the Media app. And you've got multi-person terminal remote viewing. So that's really about it. Weighs 192 grams, and your resolution 1080p. The aperture is f3.2, voltage 5 volts 1 amp, and wireless of course. Lens angle 110 degrees. Micro SD card support